Hey guys, it's Nikki with E.C.D Auto Design. Today we're going to explore the load area of this Defender 110. We have a lot of clients who always have the constant question, how comfortable are the seats there? Are they street legal? Can I actually fit 4 people back there? So today we're going to have our team help you with giving you some examples of different height and sizes so you can see exactly what's possible. What's your name?
I'm Emily and I'm the Chief Production Officer here at E.C.D and I am 5'6".
Perfect. Let's see Emily get into this Defender 110 load area. Emily, how do you feel back there?
It's very comfortable, plenty of leg room for right now.
Okay, and up next? Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Liana. My height is 5'7".
5'7". Okay, so let's see how comfortable Liana is in the back. Okay, Liana, how comfortable are you back there?
Nice.
It's nice?
Yes.
Okay. It's good. Little cramped on leg room, but not bad, right? Okay, definitely can fit. All right, and up next?
Brandon, I'm the Client Services Director, and I'm 5'8".
All right, let's check out Brandon. Okay, Brandon, how are you for headroom?
Little starting to hit the headliner.
Your hair is, I can see your hair is touching the top, but you seem fairly comfortable, yes?
Yeah.
Would you recommend this for walks or drives to the beach or in town, out to dinner?
Yeah.
Tell the people your name.
Angel Batista, supervisor here at E.C.D, and my height is 5'11".
Okay, 5'11". We're getting up there now, guys. Okay, so now we have full 4 grown adults sitting in the back of this load area here. Angel, how comfortable are you?
Pretty good. It's not that bad. I thought it was going to be worse. But
It's a party.
it's a party in here now, yeah.
Let's
This sounds like fun. Get it going.
Angel, how are you for headroom?
I'm pretty good. I'm touching the headliner right now for my height.
Okay,
Yeah.
but you are 5'11", so quite tall. Okay, so now we're going to elevate things for you guys here a little bit. Up next, tell the people your name, please.
All right. Hi, I'm Nick. I'm production manager here, and I am 6'4".
All right, guys, 6'4". Let's get you in this load area, Nick. All right, so let's see. Nick, how comfortable are you?
A little.
A little.
Yeah.
You look pretty, you're crouched over a little bit. Okay, taking things up another level. Let's have up next. Please tell the people your name.
My name's Glenn. I'm the Client Services Admin, and I'm 6'5".
All right, 6'5", guys. Let's see what happens. All right, Glenn, how comfortable are you?
I'm wedged in pretty good.
You look wedged in pretty good. So I'm gonna try and fit in with these guys. I might have to leave my legs out, but oh no, look, I can fit. We could lock legs in here.
Yeah, there we go. Not too bad.
Cozy.
It's cozy.
Good for a short drive.
You look like... Well, here we are, guys. We have 6'4", 6'5", 4'11". Okay, guys, I hope that helped you with seeing how the load area works for all different sizes from adults. You know, obviously children are very comfortable in the back load area, but it's not every day you get to see adults in the back load area of these Defender 110s. So this can really help you with deciding which model Defender works best for you and what seating arrangements can work best for you. So hope this helped. Have a great day, guys.